Hi. Today I'm going to talk about the differences between a career in data science and career in quantitative finance. There are many similarities between these two fields, but there are also many differences. Good to understand actually what the differences are, just to decide on whether you want to go into data science or quantitative finance, whether you want to make a move from quantitative finance to data science or data science to quantitative finance. It's a lot of overlap, but good to also understand the differences between these two fields. Quantitative finance has been there for a very long time, long before even there was this word called data science. Um, Mathematicians, physicists, computer scientists, engineers, statisticians have been working in the field of quantitative finance for many decades. Even in 80s, even late 70s, there were PhD physicists or mathematicians, statisticians working for big US banks like JP Morgan or Goldman Sachs or many of these hedge funds, old hedge funds back then. Okay. So quantitative finance predates data science. A lot of the techniques that's being used in data science nowadays have been in use in quantitative finance for a very long time. In fact, a lot more. Things have changed also in quantitative finance. It used to be very mathematical. Now it has become both mathematical as well as statistical. So it used to be more theory driven at some point, but it has become both theory driven as well as data driven. Things have changed there also, but a lot of that you use in data science nowadays uh, have been there in quantitative finance for a very long time. So many quants easily make a move to data science, but the other way around is not necessarily that easy, because many data science people actually lack the mathematical rigor of understanding things at a theoretical level. For instance, many data scientists will find it very difficult to understand stochastic calculus, to understand how to solve partial differential equations, or to perform Monte Carlo simulations, or to understand Markov chain. Okay, many of them probably wouldn't have heard about these techniques, right? But most quants will be very comfortable with doing regression analysis, classification, clustering, and all those things, right? It's not very big thing for them, right? Quant is also more mathematical compared to data science. In data science, as long as you understand how the algorithms work, you're still fine. But in quantitative finance, you need to understand algorithms in bit more detail, at a theoretical level also, right? So that's another difference. So if you love mathematics, I think, and if you love finance, a career in quantitative finance is better for you compared to data science, a career in data science. Do note that data science or data scientists work in all kinds of firms, not just in banking and finance, uh, financial company, but also in others kind of companies. You name it, right? In travel, in hospitality industry, in healthcare, in e-commerce, and so on and so forth. Whereas quants work only in the banking, financial, insurance, tradings type of companies. There are number of sectors. I think I also made a video on that how many sectors, in how many sectors quants can work. There are many. I think there are more than even 10 sectors where quants can work, but data scientists can work in even bigger number of sectors. So that's one really good advantage of that. The problem of that is that the brand is actually getting bit diluted. It is becoming more like any other IT job actually, because many data scientists are doing what many IT people used to do for a long time. For example, a lot of data scientists actually are simply collecting data, uh, doing basic reporting of the data, storing data, querying data from databases, and they're not doing much about building models or thinking about modeling. So they don't do much. So it is becoming more data engineering than data science, although the designation is data science. It used to be quite lucrative actually when there was this hype a decade back, but I think things have changed slightly since then. I mean, there's still a lot of demand for data scientists, nothing wrong with that. It's just that they're not as lucrative as they used to be uh, 10 years back. But a career in quantity finance is still quite lucrative for many reasons. There is a demand supply gap in the industry. Many people do not have good understanding of quantitative finance techniques. Also, there are not many quantitative finance degrees. Also, certification, there are not too many. There are countless certification in data science, so many people are skilled in more generic data science techniques, but they don't know how to apply them in the field of finance and investment. Hence, you don't find quants very easily in the market. Although many people have made switch from data science to quantitative finance, so that's for sure possible. Either you do self study, you do some courses, you take some online classes, or you do some part time degree, do some certification like CQF and all, or you take a study leave, do a master's in financial engineering, quantitative finance, and then you become quant. Um, that's also possible actually, right? But quantitative finance is more lucrative, even in terms of making money. Actually, it's more lucrative. Like, I know that many people who are in data science, they would challenge me on that, but on average, I would say the amount of money you make in quantitative finance is more compared to what you make in data science. Of course, there are exceptions, right? If you compare salary of a data scientist working in Google or Amazon, probably he will be making quite good money, or as good as money someone is making as a quant in JP Morgan or Morgan Stanley. But that's not true if you compare that with smaller companies, right? Even even the quants in smaller banks make more money than the data scientist in smaller companies, in IT firms or in e-commerce company and those sort of companies. So in terms of salary and the money that you make, it's on average it's better in quantitative finance. Career progression is good in both actually. As a quant, you can work and grow in that area. You can also work very closely with the business and become a person working as a trader or front office guy later on in your career. As a data scientist also you can do that, right? You work as a data scientist for many years and then you work closely with the business later on, so you move to business later on. So that's also possible. um, Data science is more ML, AI, and statistics driven. It is becoming more like, uh, you know, building models very quickly using some packages. In fact, with the AI development, with recent progress of Gen AI and all, you probably won't need much time to build models, right? That's not the case in quantitative finance, by the way. You really need to understand the theory behind it. Of course, you can write code using Gen AI tools, but you need to have solid understanding of the models and yeah, because money is involved, right? Money is very important. So anywhere you have money, whether it's trading or lending, very important that what model that you build, it is well understood. In regulatory area, it's very important actually. Even in non-regulatory area, it's also important. But in data science, especially non-banking financial data science areas, I know people build all kinds of models. I mean, they don't care much about the theory. They just try out all possible models. And many times I see that these models don't do well because they don't do a proper testing of these models before implementing that. But that's a different here in quantitative finance. Also, a lot of the models in quantitative finance are still more mathematical sort of models. uh, Many simulations model, Markov models, those models, these are not used in other areas, uh, at least not in my knowledge. Okay. If you have more questions, I can respond to that. Let me know in the comment section. Both are good professions. You need to work very hard. In fact, you need to work harder in quantitative finance. In banking financial world, The pressure of performing well is a bit higher compared to that in other industry, but also the entry barrier is there, right? Not everybody can get into quantitative finance. You need a certain level of proper training before you can become a quant, whereas anybody doing some sort of any normal data science course, you work for a couple of months, you become a data scientist, right? I also know people who call themselves data scientist even though they don't understand basic statistic well. They just know how to call libraries in scikit-learn, and then they call themselves data science. So the brand value is losing there a bit, very unfortunately, by the way. If you have further questions, let me know. If you are willing to enroll for a quantitative finance course that I have built, I'm sure you have heard about it. I have announced this on my channel many times. Do reach out to me. You can find my contact details in the comment section, also in the description. See you in another video, guys. Thanks.